Yo. You back? Damn, I'm sorry. We got another adventure today for y'all, man. Another adventure for the Jeep, man. See how this goes. But until then, man, y'all know the lingo, y'all know how it go, man. I give y'all a few minutes to go and handle your business. And yeah, we're going for the Jeep. And she being extra. And he's being duty. So yeah, man.
You left the shades?
Yeah, that's what I'm finna ask you. Wearing glasses.
Left the shades on.
Yeah, man. So I guess I will. Man, I keep running this glass. Gonna run down here to this spot, man, to check on another upgrade for the Jeep. Get there. I'll pick the camera back up, man, so y'all can see what's going on. Y'all can see her in action. Definitely about to be some action. Definitely.
Action.
I don't know how much action, but it's gonna be some action. She's gonna be in here like. It's gonna be exciting, I think. See y'all in a minute.
And all four of those are program is a nuisance to you.
Know what I mean?
I can give it a couple days, it doesn't take over just about a day. And I'll just
Well, he just wrote some more down, so I don't know what I wrote down.
Jeep's the one we got. And I can have one here first thing in the morning on a waterfall brand. They run about 109 a tire. All right. Thank you much.
So we have just scoot him up in the apple. Man, we done officially done something. What got the Jeep going on? Man, that bird done tore your car. Put all the vents on you.
No, I'm saying Tony Brady.
Oh, really now? Oh, it wasn't playing no music, so I would have been fine, man. I ain't gonna say that on camera. You gonna see it for me.
Say what?
We'll talk about it when I turn the camera on. But yeah, hey man, we done did something. Well, she done did something.
I did a little something.
Did a little something, man. So now y'all got to wait. And matter of fact, nah, I ain't gonna tell you to wait. Hold up the pictures, baby. Hold up the pictures. So she official now. But which one y'all think she got? This one or this one? Which one y'all think she got?
Which one?
The XF220 or the XF222? Which one y'all think she got? Now I will tell you, it's a 22 by 12 on 35. Just like I told y'all we were. 22s on 35. 22 by 12. Wide thing. Sticking out there. Poking out like ass cheeks.
Poking out like mine, baby.
Oh, wait.
My bad.
Wait.
Got a little too excited.
Got a little too loose booty for me now.
Yeah.
But yeah. So they said that the wheels will be here
Is that another week?
Tuesday or Wednesday. So this video will be continued then. But she officially in the game, man.
In there.
Like what?
Ooh, that
Yeah, I know what's going on. In there like Buddha hair, man. Just left hubcap in it. She went in there and handled business, man, just like that. Found something she liked. That's what it's all about, man. She found something she liked. She was able to get it. You know what I'm saying? Laid it down like that.
And y'all better watch out.
Yeah, y'all really better move now. Y'all see how she was driving them 17s on them.
You know.
22s on mud tires. She finna be sitting up real big now. Like y'all think they're just sitting up high. Now what y'all see them 22s on them? Ooh, 22. Man, I gotta go and fix my car. I'm finna go ahead and fix my car, man, cause we ain't doing it. We ain't doing it.
You started it.
I'm finna fix my car, man. We finna come through traffic so hard. If y'all don't get y'all black, boy, if y'all get y'all black ass out of the way. Hey, man, I'm trying to tell you now. Move. Look, I'm gonna block you in and she gonna come around in the grass on you.
They say, here comes Super Mommy.
Super Mommy. Super Mommy?
Super Mommy?
Nah, she said not yet.
Super Daddy.
Super Daddy. Okay. Super Mommy ain't Super Mommy yet until she get the wheels on.
Super Daddy.
Yeah. But anyway, my friend went out here, man, and grabbed something, man, so I'm gonna let y'all see that or whatever. But yeah. It's gonna go down.
Daddy.
Nation, what's going on? Look, I ain't finna play with y'all. I ain't finna be doing all this all day right there. Today, it's hot. I ain't got it on. It's okay. I don't even care. Just subscribe and like and comment so I can say something back to you. And yeah, it's hot. It's hot, bro. It's hot. It's hot. But I do got on something that belongs to me though. Yeah, it's stressful, man. See, y'all ain't seen that in a long time. Might bring it back. I don't know. Might bring that back. But anyway, man, you heard what we doing, man. We are underneath my road, man. Finna drop this tank. I gotta go and pick the baby up. About 5:30, 6 o'clock. Gonna drop this tank, man. And do what I need to do as far as the fuel pump and the center unit and all that good stuff. So yeah, this is where we at right now. And it's still hot, very hot. But y'all ain't gotta see all that, man. See the y'all done seen me tear this down. You know what I'm saying? Y'all done seen me tear down the gas tank before. Y'all done seen me do all that with the lines and all that. Y'all done seen me do all that before. So y'all don't gotta see that. But just letting you know what we're doing. Oh boy. That bad boy gotta come out, and I don't even know how much gas in it. But I'm gonna use the jack, and I'm gonna use the jack, and I'm gonna take them lines off the front. Let me see. Y'all can see them. Nah, y'all can't. I don't think. Wait, you can look through there. Let me see. Zoom in. Oh, I lost it. It's right on the side of it, right there. I think, yeah. Lines back there. They on the front of the tank. I mean, they go into the center unit, but they on the top of the tank though. But yeah, that's what we about to do, man. That is what we about to do. So, here we go. What the fuck is that? Yeah, buddy. We out of there. We are out of there. Now let me get this center unit out. Get some fuel lines off there. 347. Took me a couple minutes to get this done out. Now I gotta get these like I said, I gotta get them fuel lines off of there. And yeah. Oh my god. It's hot, boy. It is hot. Swear I ain't feel like doing this. You gotta do better, baby. I ain't lying. You got to do better. Because this is not it. At all. Right. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Back, man. Got that old tank sitting over here. Blocked off. I don't want to get no trash in that full tank of 93 I got there. But man, we got the new sending unit. Got it wired all up with the wiring upgrade. We got the new fuel pump right here. You know, I had to modify the sending unit so that the filter would stay on. Had to do the same thing with this one. Modified right there. Cut a little bit out. Put a little notch out. Probably could have cut a little bit more on this one, but I got it to sit in there and stick how I needed to. So hopefully we'll be fine with it. It got all the stuff that it needs to make it stay anyway. So hopefully it'll stay. Yeah. So I'm about to put this back in. Stick that in the tank. And I gotta go and get some more splices because I don't want to cut. I'm gonna get the quick splices because I don't want to cut this connector off. I don't want to cut the connector off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put them quick splices on there. These right here. Put them on there to connect my wires that I need to connect, which is these here. These wires right here. I don't even know if these still work. I'm not even sure if they still work. So I ain't gonna worry about it. The connector will still be on it just in case if I ever figure out that these work and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's grounded. So yeah, put that back up. And I gotta take this off, but this one will be fine. And then we can go back up with the tank, man. Hopefully we can we get this sending unit in there, man. Hopefully we can see how much gas that May Rose got in her from this point forward. Cause we couldn't with that one. That one was about shot. Zip ties on it and all kind of shit. So yeah, hopefully, man, this one here gonna change that up for me. Do that for me, make me feel a little better about what's going on. But yeah, let's get back to it, man. Yeah, I see we got that 8 gauge on that thing now. I got it tucked off in there. We got the 8 gauge on that thing now, man. This right here what came up though. This what was running my fuel pump at first. I got that 8 gauge on there. Pull it out the back. And yeah. Oh boy. I'm finna loom all this up. And yeah, get it out the way. Well, so sending unit change. I guess y'all know how I'm finna come when I say that. Sending unit change, fuel pump change. But no start. I don't even hear the fuel pump. I heard the relay. The fuel pump relay is clicking, but I don't hear the fuel pump. It ain't starting. So I mean, I done cycled it a couple times. I heard something up here buzzing. I don't know what that is, but I heard something up here in the front buzzing. But I don't have. It's not starting. So I do not know what is going on here. Let y'all hear this. Hold on. It's probably gonna buzz. Hold on. Hear that? Then my relay just kicked. I don't know. This is... It's crazy. Like, I ain't even touched no other wires. Other than the only wire that I touched was the fuel pump wire, and I upgraded it. Like, that was it. So, I don't know. Let me try to figure something out, man. I hit y'all back.